welcome to Achu's Happy Learning. Now we are going to see about cloud computing advantages. There are four major advantages in cloud computing. They are cost. First, it's cost. Why cost is an advantage in cloud computing? Because if we run resources in on premises, how the cost implies on us, like the cost of buying some hardwares like servers, disks, and renting and place, buying and place to build an infrastructure. Obviously, since we are using all the servers, disks, and all, there will be some amount of heat. So we need to use some cooling systems and securities as well. So this infrastructure cost will imply on us. So in cloud, there is no upfront infrastructure cost. That's the major benefit of cloud computing. The cost is very less compared to on premises. And next, scalable. Why is cloud computing scalable? For an example, let me take a real time example. We are having several shopping sites. Let us take an example like Amazon or Flipkart. So in a festival times like Diwali, Pongal, or Christmas or Ramzan, during that time the sale will be at peak. So the number of users logging into the site will be really high. So the workload, the load will be high. The traffic will be high. That time in cloud we can easily expand it automatically. We even have some rules like if we have some basic criteria like CPU and memory. For an example, like if the CPU and memory increases to 70% or above, that time we need to increase the instances, increase the resources, or else if this is the scenario, okay. So when the number of user increases, we need to increase it automatically. That's what scalable means. Okay, next advantage is elasticity. What is meant by elasticity? So elasticity is nothing but, we have already given in previous example like if we want the workload is high, we need to increase the scale up the resources, okay. Same case in after the same example like Amazon and Flipkart. Once the festival season is done, when the spikes is very low, okay, that time what we need to do is reduce the resources in order to save money, okay. So that time there is not need of that much resources really, so we plan to reduce the resources. That's what elasticity means. Scale up and scale down. That's what elasticity. Okay. Then next is reliable. What is meant by reliable? Okay. Reliable means the data should be available at any cost. For an example, if we are having a data center located in Chennai, some disaster happens and the data center is no more. Okay, that time the data should not be available. There should be no case that the data is not available. The data will be replicated to another region, like for example Pune. Okay, so in case there is some disaster in Chennai, the data from Pune will help us, like the data will be replicated to another data center. In case failure occurs in Chennai data center, we can take the data from Pune. Okay, in case there is some disaster all over India, okay, that time what we'll do is we'll keep some data center in another country, maybe area of Africa and America, Australia, anywhere. So in case there is some disaster to India, that time we can use the replicated data from another countries. So the data will be reliable in cloud computing. These are the advantages of cloud computing. Thank you. Happy learning.